guys? This is Maxintosh Productions here. I'm going to be unboxing the Halo Reach Legendary Edition. Here we go. I'll give you an aerial view in just a second. Okay, we're going to be opening this. Okay, here we go. Bring the camera over here. Okay, here's just some information, blah 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 receipts. Set that aside. Here's the bonus content for Halo Reach. Set that aside. And here we go. Boom. Set that aside. Alright. That's what the box looks like. It says Halo Reach right here. By Bungie, of course. Side of the box. It's really nice packaging. So to open it, just slide this off. We're gonna grab our knife. Take the sides. Open it up like this. Take this side. Open it up as so. And I'll lift this up. Alright, nothing in this side of the box. It's a very nice package. Alright, here we go. Bring you back in aerial view. So you can see my perspective, my point of view. Here's it looks like it's handwritten. I'm not sure, I don't think this is handwritten, but it looks like a handwritten note. No, it is not handwritten. It's printed, but it was handwritten for the first draft. Anyways, set that aside. Probably some information that's really cool. Here's the read before removing contents type of thing. Shows you how to assemble the packages inside. We'll do that at the end. Whoops. Alright, here is Reach. Here's the packaging. This is what it looks like. It was dope. Very nice. Very well done. Alright, here's the actual game. Slide this out. Wow. Now that's something that's really humongous. That's what she said. This is what it looks like. So if we open this right now, I'll show you in a sec how we can do that. We'll set this aside. We'll open everything at the end. We'll just unbox everything first. Lift up the foam board. Nothing inside. Wow. Look at this. This is something. Smells very brand new. We'll take this over here. This Halo Reach. It says Halo Reach right there. This is the Ghost team, I believe. Correct me if I'm mistaken, but this is the Halo Reach campaign, all the characters, etc. The weapons are right here for all these characters. Machine gun, battle rifle, shotgun, sniper rifle. There we go. Looks pretty fucking sick. Set that off to the side. Okay, here's it for the unboxing. Nothing else left. But now we're about to open this right here. Take this knife, puncture it right there. Okay, look at this. This is very sturdy, very well managed, very well packaged. I don't know how you open this actually. I should be ashamed of myself. Set this camera off over here. This is what it looks like. Oh, there we go. You pull it out just like that. Okay. Here's the video game, Halo Reach. This is what we've been waiting for. There we go, black cover, very nice, very well done. Halo Reach. Inside contents, that's the disc. Extra content. You open this, there's another handwritten letter. You're now in possession of the most complete and accurate account that anyone has ever blah blah blah. You can read that yourself if you're gonna get it. It's top secret information, as you can see right there. Wow. Look at this packaging right here. Top secret, eyes only, code word required. Take this bad boy over here. Wow. Okay. This is something. This explains all the protocols, blah blah blah. Now let's open this because we have the required authentication code. Set that sticker off right there. Slide this out. That's all that comes in here. It's a journal-like type of thing. We're gonna open it like this. It slides out. This looks exactly like a journal. That looks as if it's sketched on right there. This looks unbelievable. So much content in here. Has all these notes. I'm not going to get too much into it, but very nice, because I don't want to spoil it for you guys. That's what the journal looks like. Alright guys, that was my unboxing. I'm not going to be doing a review because I don't want to mess up your joy of actually opening all this stuff and reading it. So peace out, subscribe, check my channel out. I'm pretty beast, so adios amigos.